Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on complex integration and we'll try to understand the concept of parameterization. So it says find I equal to f of z dz for line joining 1 plus I to 3 plus 3I, where f of z is real z. So we need to find this integration over the path, the line joining. Let's say this is 1 plus I and this is 3 plus I, 3 plus 3I. So this is 1 comma 1 and this is 3 comma 3. So this is the path of integration. So this I and this f of z is real z. So what is real z? For z equal to x plus iy, real z is x. So this becomes x. Now for this path we can see that x is on a straight line and it varies from 1 to 3. Similarly y also varies from 1 to 3. So we can parameterize this. We can parameterize the function z in terms of, let's say, another variable t, and x and y will also depend on that same thing. Now that these variables are on a straight line, we can find a linear relationship with some other variable or independent variable t. So this can be given as x naught plus del x times of t, and this can be given as y naught plus del y t. So this x naught and y naught are the initial points. So this is 1, this is 1, so this is x naught, this is y naught, and del x is the difference between this. So del x becomes 2 and difference between this del y becomes 2. That means x can be written as x naught, which is 1, plus del x, which is 2, so 2 times of t, and y can also be written in the same manner as 1 plus 2t, where this t varies from 0 to 1, right? So this integration now becomes that f of z is real z, which is x. So instead of x we can write 1 plus 2t. Let's write the formula first. Also this zt, which is now x of t plus I y of t, can be written as 1 plus 2t 2t plus I times of 1 plus 2t. And if you want, we can take this common, 1 plus I times of 1 plus 2t. So we can write that this dz is going to be 1 plus I, and differentiation of 1 plus 2t in terms of t will be 2 times of dt, or otherwise dz by dt is 2 times of 1 plus I, right? Now this integration for the parameterization can be given as function of z, which is function of t, into z dash t dt for the limits of t, and t, the limits where we have already discussed, is going to be 0 to 1. So what is function of z? It is x. What is x? It is 1 plus 2t. What is z dash t? We have already seen z dash t is 2 times of 1 plus I. So it is 2 times of 1 plus I dt, integration from 0 to 1. So we can take this 2 1 plus I outside as a constant, and the integration of this 1 plus 2t will be t plus t square for the limits 0 to 1, which will become 2, putting 1 and 0. So this becomes 2 and 2, 4 times of 1 plus I. This is going to be the complex integration for the path and the function given.